Hi, Mr. Vanderwall here. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to find the greatest common factor and the LCM using the grid method. This is something that you can look back later on if you need to review how to find GCF and LCM. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find the GCF, or the greatest common factor, of 24 and 40. So the first thing you do is you take your two values, so it was 24 and 40, and input them into the grid. You then need to identify common factors until the two numbers left are relatively prime. So I'm going to start by saying a common factor of 24 and 40 is 4, because 4 goes into 24 and 4 goes into 40. So then what I do is I take 24 divided by 4 is 6, and 40 divided by 4 is 10. I'm not done identifying common factors though, because 6 and 10 have a common factor greater than 1, and it is 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. At this point, I am done because the last two numbers, at 3 and 5, are relatively prime, meaning their greatest common factor is 1. So the last thing I need to do is step 3, calculate the GCF by multiplying the numbers in the left column. And so there are two numbers in the left column. These are the common factors, and so they are 4 and 2. So I need to multiply those two together, and 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So the greatest common factor of 24 and 40 is 8. So the next thing we're going to do is how to find the least common multiple using the grid method. So different problem. Now we're finding the LCM of 9 and 12. Once again, we have directions, steps to finding LCM. The first thing we do is we draw our grid and we input our two numbers. We're finding the least common multiple of 9 and 12. We need to identify common factors until the last two numbers are relatively prime. So 9 and 12 have a common factor of 3. So I take 9, divide it by 3, I'm left with 3 under the 9. 12 divided by 3 gives me 4 underneath the 12. At that point, I ask myself, is 3 and 4 relatively prime? Yes. So we are done drawing our grid. Now we're to step 3. We need to calculate the LCM by multiplying all numbers of the L. And so what do I mean by all numbers of the L? Well, here's our L. It's right here. We need to multiply these together. And so the values that I have are 3 times 3 times 4. And so 3 times 3 is 9, times 4 is 36. So the least common multiple of 9 and 12 is 36. Feel free to rewatch to find GCF, to find LCM. Bye.